Should I use regular oil or synthetic in my car? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician, and this is my partner, Gumball. So, basically my advice is pretty much synthetic anymore. Most of our modern vehicles have what's called variable cam timing, and that variable cam timing system is very critical to have the right oil pressure, and it has very small passages that need to stay clean. Also, we have a lot of turbocharged cars, and the turbochargers generate a lot of heat, which can cause the oil to gum up or solidify. The reality is, at my shop, we have quit using conventional or standard or regular oil, whatever you want to call it, altogether. We buy our synthetic oil in bulk, and so our price is very competitive. It's not that much more than doing a basic oil change with the other oil. So it's best in all cars. And can you switch back and forth? Absolutely. Can you mix the oils? It's not going to hurt anything. As a matter of fact, they have conventional oil, which is made by petroleum products, synthetic oil, which is man-made, and then they actually have blends of those. So you're not going to hurt anything, especially in an emergency, to add some oil. But I'll tell you, the cars are really getting to the point where we have low tension piston rings. They tend to burn a little bit of oil. So it's really critical that we keep an eye on it. We have a Honda Accord in here right now that it actually almost ran out of oil because the oil interval is a very long time. And so it's really good that it had synthetic in it to protect it. So that's my advice for you, is use synthetic oil on just about anything. And so, until next time.
Until next time.
Blessings to you and safe travels.